Fantastic has arrived, and I really like this kind of nice pink Valentine's Day box. Well, it's not a Valentine's Day box, but it reminds me of Valentine's Day. Yeah, my favourite colour is blue, but I am partial to pink too. Before we dive into this box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you like beauty subscriptions and unboxings, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell. You'll be notified of all my future uploads. With that being said, make sure you've got the kettle on, you've pulled up a chair, and let's dive in. So yeah, for those of you who are unaware, Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription. I will put all the details down below on how much I pay, how long I've been a subscriber, and I will link to their website so you can go and check it out. It just saves me waffling on for 10 minutes. So yeah, this month's box, like I said, nice and pink. I am intrigued as to what we've got this month, and I'm surprised because we have a magazine. I thought they had gone digital, but I don't know. And it says self-love is in the air, so it's kind of self-love and Valentine's as well. Before we dive into the box, I will show you the sneak peek for next month. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. I'm intrigued, yeah, close your eyes. So there we go. It's something that I'm looking forward to trying. Yeah, most definitely. I've not used anything from this brand before. You can now open up your eyes. We're going to dive into this box and I'm going to give you a sneak peek. I was a bit disappointed because my box wasn't sealed. It came in its box, like the normal outside packaging box, but the actual inside box wasn't sealed. And I'm just about to show you upside down. So there you go. There's your cheeky sneaky peek. I will be referring to the magazine. Yeah, just so we can get further details. They don't put prices in here anymore, which is a bit frustrating. But let's dive in. And the first item is the sneak peek from last month, and it's the Pixie Glow Tonic. I've used this before, but I can't use it at the moment because of the skin in me. I really enjoyed this, but that is a ridiculous size. Now, in the magazine, I thought that was going to be bigger. That is almost the same length as my thumb. Now, as something that you're going to show as a sneak peek, put a decent size in because you can get bigger bottles than this. And yeah, that's just ridiculous. I'm going to pop this by for a giveaway just because I can't use it. But yeah, I'm angry at that one. I think some of the sizes in here now with Look Fantastic and Glossy Box are becoming, it's beyond ridiculous. It's sort of like miniature sizes rather than, you know, deluxe or travel sizes. I've got a feeling I'm going to be moaning about this box quite a lot from what I've seen. The second item I'm going to pull out is going to be no stranger to you at all because this is the fourth one I've received between Glossy Box and Look Fantastic. It is the Lotty London Ombre blush in the shade Haze. I'm going to pop this by for a giveaway. I'm going to show you what it's like. I've given 3 of these away already, 2 or 3 of them. Passed one on when I decluttered. It's not something I reach for, so I will be sending one of these out to you lucky people. Yeah, why keep putting it in? I'm now getting very frustrated. Yeah. The next item, is by Bye Bye, and it's the Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. Now, again, this is 20 mils, so come on, it's a cleanser. Stick a 50 ml bottle in here. Give you that extra 30 mils. Now, I can see that this is in the book, or the magazine, so I will give you some information. And it says it's the combination of powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress, help to break down dirt, grime and oil and smell like a minty forest. Your skin feels truly cleansed and clear but not stripped, and it has salicylic acid and chicory root in it. And it says you apply a pea-sized amount to damp skin and massage into the face and neck. Once it lathers, rinse well with water. With my cleansers, I'm a bit strange. I like to lather it up in my hands and then go over my face, so that way I know I'm not putting too much on, if you get what I mean, because that can strip my skin. At the moment it's very sensitive. Nice to try, I think. I may give it a go, I may not, just because it's got salicylic acid in it. Depends on how much I'll have to go through the ingredients, so you may see it come up in a giveaway, you may not. But like I said, 20 mils for a cleanser, come on guys, we've had like a mini and another mini and a repeat item that we've had several times. So I'm not impressed with this box yet. The next item is from Balance Me, and it's the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. Now this, you know, I'd be quite pleased to try. I do like using a gel under my eye cream because I've got very dry under eyes. Let's see how it rubs in and see if it is like a serum. Because some of them have said they're serums, but they come off more like a cream. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, it is a serum. I'll rub it in the back of my hand. It's got fragrance to it. I can smell citrus there, which is vitamin C, but it's going in the under the eye area. You don't really want a ton of fragrance there, do you? So I'm quite surprised there. So yeah, and it's got like a floral kind of note to it as well. A bit strange. Look Fantastic have said, the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum promotes a radiant, supercharged contour equipped with hard-hitting ingredients. The formula seeks to minimise the look of puffiness. Elderberry flower complex energises and nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. And it says its ingredients are elderberry flower and ylang ylang. And it says you smooth a dot of the product under both eyes, patting towards the outer corners and above and over the brow bone. So yeah, I'm intrigued to try it. You know, it doesn't seem like it's a bad product or anything. Now we kind of got another item here, and then I think there was some lucky dip items because they're not in the magazine. So yeah, we're going in blind. The next item is from the brand Glove. Now I have used a product from them before. I don't know if you remember. If you've been with me for a while, you would know that I received, it was like a mask, a clay mask remover, and it was like a sort of like a towel that you'd put over your hand and you go over your face, and I really like it. I really like it. I used it in one of my Mask Mondays. And these are the Glove water only makeup removers. Now we get a lot of these. They're good. You know, you just wet them down, you can remove all of your makeup off. They're very soft. They're better for the environment because you're not throwing tons of cotton pads and wipes away. Yeah, but my only thing is, we get a lot of these now. How many have you got? Because I must have about 12. So I'm sure Glove do something else that they could have put in. It sounds like I'm really moaning about this box, but it's so far been really disappointing. But yeah, they're nice and soft. They're in a heart shape, you know, Valentine's Day. That's quite sweet, but we get a lot of these, and yeah, they're just makeup remover wipes, aren't they? I'll use them. I'll give them a go and see how they are. I do use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup, but you know, I will give them a go. And Look Fantastic have said the luxury soft material that covers the pads glides across the skin I cannot say that. Effortlessly. There we go. Removing makeup, dirt and grime. It's nice having a grimy face. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as the pads are washable, so you can continue to use them again and again. And it says a soft microfiber surface gently buffs the skin. It says apply water or cleanser to a pad and gently glide across the skin until clean. Now I'm just going to give one of these a tug because they're really furry, and I'm just thinking, will that come off on the skin? I have got tiny fibres there, but I don't know. I'm going to wash these first before I use them. I think that might be a better option. That way, you know, if anything does come off, it comes off in the machine. So yeah, that's not too bad, but we've seen them so many times before. Now this item I've used before and I absolutely loved it, so I am really pleased to be getting another one of these. It's from the brand Beauty Pro, and it's the Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booties, and they are collagen, sweet almond and peppermint. And it says it has a removable toe tip, safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. Their anti-aging cooling formula dual layered booties, and it says they're 20, you keep them on for 20 minutes. It says you can travel with me and contain natural ingredients, and they are cruelty free. So I like that. So you got a nice foot mask, and they were really nice as well. I had a really nice soak in the bath. I got out, I popped these on once I dried my feet thoroughly, popped a thick fluffy pair of socks, because I don't know if you get this, when I wear booties like this and I have to get up to move somewhere, I slide. I've got wood flooring in the house, so you can't, I just slide everywhere, so I just pop some thick fluffy socks on over the top, leave them on for 20 minutes. Sometimes I've sort of, you know, got into a nice position, comfortable in bed watching something, I've left them on for half an hour, 40 minutes, and they've been absolutely fine. So yeah, I do get dry skin on my feet, so I am looking forward to using this again. And I think the last item in the box is from Dr. Botanicals, and it's the LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Ooh, this is vegan, it's cruelty free. We got 50 mils in here. It's 98.58% natural, it's dermatologically tested, it's gluten-free and wheat-free, which is absolutely fabulous. And it says it's got sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and lemongrass essential oil. Ooh. So this sounds like it's going to be really hydrating, if I can get in the box. So yeah, I think the box is redeeming itself, but it hasn't redeemed itself. I like this. We got 50 mils as well. Look at that. That's a Pride box, isn't it? Pride packaging. Do like it, or a rainbow. However you want to see it. Not sealed. I'm going to pop this on the back of my hand. We will see what the fragrance is like. That's what it looks like. It's very, very thick. Oh yeah, that's lemongrass. I don't like lemongrass, but that's not a real lemongrassy kind of fragrance. It smells like you can smell peppermint. I can smell stinger nettles as well, which is going to sound really bizarre, but you know when you've walked through sort of like a wooded area and you get that really kind of grassy, yeah, it smells like stinger nettles of lemon. Or the natural lemon. If you ever, my parents grow a lemon bush in their garden, and as a child I used to go up to the leaves, and if you rub them and do this, that is how it smells, which isn't actually that bad. It's really thick. It is kind of oily. I think that would be really, really hydrating. Very much wanting to try this, especially how my skin is at the moment. I am dry absolutely everywhere. So I presume this goes on the face, but if it doesn't work on my face, I will put it on my body, because that just feels, and it's got like a balmy kind of after feel to it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. And the box is empty, so I'm just going to run through the Lemongrass Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, which if it's all-in-one you can probably put it anywhere, so I'm looking forward to trying that. That's a good one. A bit disappointed because we've got another eye product. We get so many eye products. It's 5 ml size, it's very small, but I do like an eye serum, so I will give that a go. Just is all I'm gonna say. Yeah, another one. Really disappointed. The Clarity Cleanse by Bye Bye. I'm intrigued as to using it, but the size is too small yet again. Tiny, absolutely tiny. Pixie's Glow Tonic. It's a really nice tonic, but you can get them bigger for, yeah. Interested to trying these out, but then like again, we do get a lot of makeup remover wipes or pads that are reusable, so it is a bit disappointing. Seems like Look Fantastic running out of ideas, I think. And the foot mask, yeah, really looking forward to trying that. Trying it, using it again, because I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of reallys in there, a few loves and quite a bit of disappointment. Yeah. I am dying to know what you thought about this box. I'm quite ticked off, to put it politely. I could say a few other things, but I won't. We are family friendly. yeah, definitely let me know in the comments below what you thought about this box, and also drop me a comment and let me know if you think the sizes are shrinking. Yeah. I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea, I think, and cheer myself up. So yeah, thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.